minus 4 minus 6 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus 6 equals 10 equals minus 10 equals 2 or equals minus 2. Correct is minus 10. Why? When adding two negatives, keep the negative sign. So minus 4 minus 6 equals minus 4 minus 6 equals minus 4 plus minus 6, right? So minus and minus plus, right? And keep the negative sign. So minus 4 minus 6 equals minus 10 and 8 minus 4. Now minus 10 and 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now here is multiply. So minus 10 times 4 equals minus 40. But this is wrong. Why? Because first of all parentheses, right? Then multiplication and then subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. First of all inside the parentheses, then multiplication. So minus 4 minus 6 and 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now multiply first. 6 times 4 equals 24 and yes. Now minus 4 and minus 24 equals minus 28. Keep the negative sign.